Just a quick unboxing video of a new necklace I got from Tiffany. It is the large double link pendant necklace. It is part of their hardware collection. They have two sizes, a large and a small, and this is the large. So let's unbox it. Okay, let's go. I got this at the City Creek location in Salt Lake City, Utah. Okay, so here's just like a little dust bag to keep the necklace in. And then the extra links, they put in this envelope along with the receipt. So I have the extra links, receipt, all of it right here. And it was a tough choice because they have so many pretty things in the store right now, but this one I just felt like was just really timeless and so freaking beautiful. It has the diamonds on the one side, the one link, and then it's 18 karat yellow gold. And I love that it has this double chain. Let's take this off. Like, so stunning. So beautiful. And I love, like I said, it has this double chain. I think that's just adds to it. So I will put it on, and I've never done an unboxing on these two videos, but if you have any questions, let me know. I love these two necklaces. So I just thought this would just match perfectly to go with my little stack. This one, the price was $14,000. So Tiffany's not cheap, but you get what you pay for. And let's try it on. Okay, I'm glad I wasn't recording that because if you have nails and you're trying to put on a necklace, you know what I mean. It takes a little while. So here is the necklace, the double link. This is the large double link pendant necklace. 18 karat gold with diamonds, $14,000. It's part of the hardware collection. And if you have any questions on these other two necklaces, let me know and I can answer anything. But I love everything I've ever purchased from Tiffany has been the best quality and the customer service is awesome. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. And if you have any questions, let me know. But have a great day. Update on my necklace. So in the previous video, you could tell it was a lot shorter, and that is because they took out two extra links. So when I got it, it was like up here, it was a choker. It was cutting off my air supply and that was not gonna work. So I went down to City Creek and explained the situation. They are fabulous there. So if you live in Utah, City Creek is freaking amazing. Shout out to the team down there because they took care of the situation right away, expedited the necklace to get it back to New York. And they actually just gave me a new necklace. So they started with a fresh one, so they didn't have to be like transporting it back and forth. So they just gave me a new necklace, took the links out. Well, this was a brand new necklace, but they don't, because of the processing of sending it back and forth, they just were like, you know what, because it's been handled too many times, we're just going to give you a new one again. So they took out the correct amount. I explained to them again exactly where I wanted the necklace to fall, and this is it. So this is my Tiffany stack right here. This is what I was going for. This is the look I wanted. So these three necklaces, and like I said, I haven't done a review on these two. So if you have any questions, I love both of them. So if anybody wants a review or have any questions about these two, let me know. This one was a present from my parents for my 20th birthday, and I just don't ever take it off. So this one is a special necklace. Doesn't really, not Tiffany's, but I just like the mixed metals, and I always wear these hoops as well. And I got those at TJ Maxx. So one thing about me, I'm a little high end and I'm a little low end. I like a Louis Vuitton, I like Lululemon, and I like TJ Maxx and Ross Dress for Less. So I do a little bit of everything. But follow along for more unboxings to come. And if you have any questions, just let me know. Thanks for watching.